Time dito sa TV5.
Welcome back to Time Big Time. At eto na po mula sa pinakaabangang teleserye ng TV5 ang Nandito Ako. Kasama po natin si Miss Yula Caballero and the very beautiful Miss Jasmine Curtis-Smith.
Hello, thank you, Ate Maria.
Hello! Welcome to Will Time Big Time. Okay, girls, gusto ko syempre kayong tanungin, how is it like working with the American Idol?
Ikaw na ba?
Si David Archuleta. Syempre kayong dalawa.
Ako, very thankful, very appreciative.
Congratulations para sa'yo sa utol kong Hoodlum. Napakagandang teleserye.
Suporta nun. Ayun, masayang taping namin.
Diba? Mabait siya?
Sobra.
Humble?
Oo, malalaman mo yan mamaya.
Ay, tama. Alright, dito sa Nandito Ako, best friends kayo.
Naku, abangan niyo yan. May konting keme kami dalawa.
Alamin na
May
lang
love
nila.
triangle na magaganap. Magkakaagawan.
Ay,
Intriguing. Intriguing. Mabuti pa tawagin natin yung lalaking parang magiging dahilan ng inyong pag-aaway. Eto na po. Let's call Mr. David Archuleta.
Hello.
Hello, David.
Hi.
Welcome to Will Time Big Time. Okay, why don't you greet everyone first watching you?
Hello, everybody. Hi.
Do you know how to say any Tagalog words like magandang gabi? Can you say Tagalog words already like magandang gabi?
Magandang gabi?
Yes, that's good evening. Very good. Thank you so much. All right. How is it like working in the Philippines?
It's been great. It's been awesome getting to work with these two as well, Yula and Jasmine.
And Jasmine,
Yeah.
so is it safe to say that that is the most incredible experience working with the two here in the Philippines?
It's been really great. It's been really incredible.
What do you love about the Philippines?
The Philippines.
Aside from the two girls, of course.
Everyone that we've been working with, everyone with TV5 and Direk Mac Alejandre has been awesome to work with as well. And just his whole crew that he has, it's been really fun. The other actors as well, it's been really fun. It's just trying to take it in at one step at a time because I'm taking
And you
baby
just got
steps.
here and you're already so busy recording, taping, everything, and you're here now. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah,
but of
it's
course,
my pleasure.
All the fans are wondering, would you consider having a girlfriend, like a Filipina girlfriend? Like maybe Yula or Jasmine?
I think, it doesn't matter who it is, as long as they have those traits that make you
What
fall
are the
in love with
traits
them.
that you are into?
I think someone who just has a good heart. Who has,
Good
someone
heart?
who,
Good heart?
someone who cares about other people.
Oh, check,
Things like,
check. Okay.
Someone who, likes to have a good time.
Check
Just
and
a-
check again. Okay, you're...
Sorry,
Taken.
Sorry.
Correct.
Oh, man,
All
yeah.
right. This is Camille. She's our new host.
Hi there.
Yes.
Welcome to the show. Hello, David.
Oh, thank you.
Hello,
Nice to meet you.
Jasmine. Hi.
Welcome to TV5.
Yes.
Thank you so
Hi,
much.
Camille. Ay, okay. Akala ko rin eh. Okay.
Blocking
Of course. And David, please invite everyone to watch your mini-series.
Oh, yeah. Well, the miniseries, Nandito Ako, we hope that you guys... We're filming it right now and hope you guys enjoy watching it. It's, we're in the works right now. It's been a lot of fun. It's great. We have some talented people, I'm working
Like
alongside
you?
with. No, but these two right here, they're great.
Thank you.
We
All
hope
right.
you enjoy.
Jasmine?
Ayun, gusto ko po kayong imbitahan na manood ng Nandito Ako. Sa mid-February na po yan at kasama po namin sila Miss Aiko Melendez, Miss Jelly de Belen, Tita Baby, si David Archuleta, si Yula of course, and it's directed by Direk Mac Alejandre. So maganda po talaga ito.
All right. And you're going to have a mall show, Yula?
Yes, mall tours namin sa January 28, 11 a.m. SM South Mall and 1:30 p.m. SM Mall of Asia. So, sugod mga kapatid!
Correct!
All right. Are you going to be singing in the series? In the series, we're going to hear you sing?
You will hear me
we're
sing
very
a little bit.
excited
Yeah.
for that. And wait, Jasmine, are we going to hear you sing sa concert ng iyong kapatid na si Ann!
You're invited to
Okay.
the No Other Concert, Ambisyosa No Other Concert of my sister, January 28. Pagkatapos po yun ang mall show namin. So baka
Nandun
makita
ka.
na rin kami doon.
Oo.
Magpa-perform ako. At eto na rin, gusto ko rin mag-thank you to Avon Bio, Cherry Mobile Smart, Skechers, SoFab Shoes, GAOC, Cream Silk, Posh Nails, and Faces and Curves.
At dahil ginawa mo yan, gusto ko na rin ngayon magpasalamat. Thank you so much to Pepsi Herrera for my dress. And we have flowers for you, Jasmine and Yula.
Wow, thank
And of
you.
course, David for you. David for you, these two also.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
thank
sugar
you.
and
Sugar.
lovely.
And, ay! Dali!
This is Fiona.
Wow!
Ay, ba't may
Ay!
ganon?
How sweet.
Ay, pwede ba yun?
Wait,
How sweet.
Wait,
Hindi pwede yan.
There's one, just one last. If it's only okay.
Yes! Wow!
She's the choreographer of the show.
Oh, thanks.
Red na red.
Thank you very much for
Thank
being
you
here.
po.
Again, nandito ako. Please invite everyone again one more time.
One more time.
Oh, yes. Well, we invite all of you guys to watch Nandito Ako coming out really soon. So hope you guys enjoy. It'll be fun. A fun love story.
Yay! Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Yula Caballero, of course, David Archuleta, Jasmine Curtis Smith.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Makuha kaya ang ating jackpot sa patalbugan ng 50,000 pesos. Eto na po, si Kuya Will.
Thank you very much, David! At palapakan mo, David! Alright. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka? Hindi ako pumasok. Bakit? Mag-i-English pa ako doon. Sila na lang yun. But David at Chuleta, abangan niyo po ang soap opera nila dito. Of course, malapit na po yan. Dito lang po yan. Miniserye, Nandito Ako. Of course, starring, of course, Yula Caballero, Jasmine Curtis Smith, and of course, American Idol, the man, David Archuleta! Directed by Matt Alejandro, premieres Feb 20. So, Monday po yan, sa February 20 po yan. Lunes po yan. May mall tour sila, January 20. Ito, mga kababayan natin yan. Gusto nyo makita si David live. Mall tour na, January 28, 11 a.m. po, ha? Sa SM